Hey everyone, in today's Snapchat video, I want to show you how to delete saved messages on Snapchat. So first, let's go ahead and look at how to save a message. So on any message, if you press and hold, you could see you could save and unsave it. So if you unsave it here, it's going to disappear after you get out of the chat. But if you hold down and press save in chat, it's going to permanently stay in chat. So I've done this to a couple of different ones, but let's see what happens when the other person saves it. So this one that says not much, let me click that. And you could see that it's saved in chat by Andrew. So he saw it and then he saved it in his chat. I haven't saved it in mine. So I could go ahead and save in chat as well. And now if I click it, you could see that it's saved by everyone, myself and Andrew. So in order to unsave it, you could simply press unsave and it will unsave it. But you could try to force it to be deleted from your device and Andrew's device. So if I press it down here and press delete on the bottom, it's going to say friend can see that you're changing something, that you're deleting something. I'm going to go ahead and press delete. And it's been deleted from my chat and it's going to force it to delete it from their chat as well. Now, sometimes that doesn't work. Sometimes it'll give you a warning that based on their internet connection or their Snapchat update, it might not happen, but that's the best way you could delete it from their device and your device. So what about messages that you can't do that with? This one doesn't have a delete option. These you have to clear the entire chat to get rid of. So go ahead and unsave them from chat. And then you don't have a delete option here. So let's see how we could delete this one. I'm going to go ahead and get out of this page. So here, I'm going to click Andrew's name here. And on this menu, I'm going to press more. And right here, I could either block them, that will make everything disappear, or I could clear this conversation, or I could delete chats. So I'm going to clear conversation. So as you can see, this will clear the conversation from the feed, but it will not delete any saved or send messages. You have to do that in the previous step that I showed you, but this will clear it at least from the conversation and Andrew's name will disappear. And that's how you would clear a message, a saved message on Snapchat, and how to clear an entire conversation on Snapchat. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for daily tech videos and social media videos just like this one, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.